All right, we're here with a quick May market update for the Austin Metro. So a couple things right here. We're gonna go over April versus May because I don't really think it matters so much to other people, to us to look what's happening year over year. We'll talk about that a little bit, but I really want to talk about what's happening month over month. So where are things trending? So real quick, start with what's happening year over year. So the median sales price, $467,500. So $467,500. That is down 15% year over year. But that's where we'll stop talking about the year over year stuff. We'll mention it a little bit. Why I think that's a good thing is because it's actually up from the median sales price in April, which is $466,705. So it's only up slightly, and that's what I've been telling people. Hey, prices are going up, but they're just inching up. It really depends on the neighborhood, but they're just inching up. Up is a good thing, but we're not rocketing up like we saw in the past. So closed sales in April were 2,611. Closed sales in May, 3,411. It's pretty normal. Sales would go up in May. Average days on market in April was 71. Now we're down to 65 days on the market on average. And so again, things are trending better. Houses are selling quicker. The new listings in April, we had 4,115. Less people typically list their house in April, so it's not odd to see in May that it goes up slightly. New listings in May were 4,545. So new listings, really irrelevant. What's on the market? How fast is it selling? Active listings in April, 8,285 versus 8,960. So you might say, hey, Jordan, well, there's more homes sitting on the market. Yeah, there are more active listings, but they're selling quicker. So that's all we really care about is how fast are they selling. Pending sales, right about the same for each month. 3,267 for April. We saw 3,243 for May. Total sales dollar volume in April, 1.54 billion. In May, 2.06 billion. So that's an enormous increase, like a 33% increase. Huge difference, April to May, in the total dollar volume sold. In months of inventory, how everybody likes to measure supply and demand with real estate, our months of inventory now is up to 3.4 months. That's up from 3.2 months. So there's slightly more inventory, but we typically see inventory jump up in the summer months because more people list their homes. But like we saw, more people are buying homes just a little bit faster. Something personally, so these stats just came out here in June for May. Something personally my team is seeing is already June is going to be our best month of the year by probably twofold. So June is enormously better than April or May or February was, March. So much better. We've had so many closings in June. We're getting so much under contract here in June that I think we're going to see the numbers kind of more than just edge up next month. They're probably going to go up quite a bit more. Even with mortgage rates at around 7%, people are still buying homes. There's just not any supply. Even with all of these homes hitting the market, there's still such a demand that we haven't even gotten anywhere close to 6 months of inventory, which is considered equilibrium. We're still in a seller's market under 6 months of inventory. In this month, we're at 3.4 months of inventory. So really what I'm seeing is even with high rates, people are still willing to buy. But with high rates, a lot of people aren't willing to move. People hold on to those interest rates like they've got gold. If you have an interest rate that starts with a 2 or a 3, you're not real likely to want to move and get one that starts with a 6 or maybe even a 7. So that's not unlocking a lot of that inventory there. And I think we're going to continue to see things stay this way for a while where it's kind of just flat and there's not a ton of inventory coming on the market just because people don't want to go get a 6.5%, 7% mortgage.